Okay guys, you got a 2019 Chevy Silverado. So if you're changing your belts, the CERT belt and the air conditioning belt, they're both stretch belts. So we're gonna show you how we replace them. If you notice on there, there is no adjustment on the alternator. And of course it just goes down to the crank and over here to this pulley. The other one just goes from the crank to the AC, and we'll show you how we're gonna do that one too. We're gonna do them both same time. So because they're stretch belts, we're just gonna cut them off. So first thing you wanna do is measure them, just kind of set them up there. Make sure you got the right one so your vehicle's not down. What we've done is we've ordered one of each size of the CERT belt, and the AC belt only comes with one, so one choice. So we've got all three of those here, so just in case we make a mistake, cut this one and we don't have the right one. So we're gonna go ahead and cut them, and we'll take them off. That's the CERT belt. Now if it broke and you're replacing it, I guess you don't have to worry about cutting them, but it's just easier just to cut them off. If you want to save them, you can. You can put something, a screwdriver in there and just bump it over and then and run it off the pulley. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna set the belts back up here, and we're just gonna show you how we zip tie it, and then we'll bump the starter. So let's get those put on and I'll show you. Okay guys, so here we are. We are around the AC compressor, and then we're back behind. You can see the harmonic balancer. And so we could do both these at the same time, but just to show you how to put them on, we'll do it this route. We could have done the outside one and just put this around the outside CERT belt, but here's what we're gonna do. So it's back behind there. It's halfway on right here. It's off back there. I'll show you better up there when I go up there. And it's around the AC compressor. So I'm gonna come up here, and now I'm gonna show you as he's put a socket on it. What size was your socket?
24.
So we put a 24 on it, and now he's gonna rotate it around, and you'll see the belt come up from behind. You can see it pulling right up on it.
Oh, it's coming up on this side.
You can just go backwards for a minute and then roll that up. So we're gonna rotate back down for a second. All right, and if you have some sort of screwdriver or something, I can hold that.
I don't.
No? Let me see if I can just keep it pressed with my finger. It's still on for the moment. Okay, still going around. And there you have it. So now we'll go ahead and get the other one on, and I'll show you how we're gonna zip tie that. If you've seen how he did it on the bottom, he just ran the zip ties through the center where there was a hole in the bottom of it. And since we're going counterclockwise, we wanted the bottom on and the top not on. I think that makes sense. So now we'll show you with the outer belt that goes to the alternator. Okay, so now we are around the alternator. We're around the, what would be the fan, the water pump. We're around the pulley, and you can see we're partially around the crank the same way with two zip ties. And now he's back on the crank, rotating it around. And she's rolling up on there. You can see she's kicked sideways here, but she's gonna go right up. And there she goes. And those zip ties broke, so we are done and good to go. So remember, what you could have done is you could have just lined up both these belts one shot, two zip ties through there, and done them both at the same time. You have another choice. You could have done it that way and bumped the engine. And as long as the engine goes clockwise, which I believe this one does, then it would have just broke the zip ties and spat them out for you, and you'd have been on. There's a few different ways. So, but this is how you do a stretch belt if you need, because there is no adjustment to lower an alternator or lower a pulley or a tensioner pulley, etc. I think you understand that. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.